talk about generally about pain and the food or the diet, the first thing Ayurveda says is to avoid the causative factors to treat anything. And so it also mostly we see in our practice, in our day-to-day practice, that most of the people have some or the other habit of having some kind or other kind of food stuff which are going to increase the intensity of their pain or which are the reason for their pain. So the most common things that you have to avoid is anything which is astringent, pungent, and bitter in taste. You have to avoid these three tastes if you want to reduce your pain, or if you are suffering from chronic pain. You have to avoid anything which is cold and dry because they are very similar to the properties of vata, and it will be increased through these, and the pain will increase. Then cold water, sodas, cold drinks, what we call in India, such kind of things, or refrigerated foods, because most of the modern society people, they don't have time enough to cook fresh. So what they do is take the refrigerated food, directly cook, and then eat. Then the stale food, the leftovers from last night eating in the morning, or in the morning eating in the evening, or what we see in Northern America, that people cook for 7 days a week on one day and then keep it refrigerated and then just reheat and eat. Such kind of food, raw foods, salads, dry fruits and salads, basically, this is one of the very important things which we should always talk about, because the modern human being believes that to remain healthy, you have to eat raw or you have to eat a lot of salads. But actually, this is not doing any good to you. It is actually harming your body. Yes, it may be good in certain conditions where you need to control your nourishment or overnourishment, but in conditions of pain, always avoid these. Avoid heavy foods which are heavy for digestion, because that again hampers one of the important factors according to Ayurveda, which is Agni, or your digestive fire, you may say. Then take only lukewarm water to drink. Take hot foods, fresh foods, hot drinks. By hot drinks, I don't mean the caffeinated products or alcohol, but warm milk or warm water or warm normal temperature juices. Apply heat to the area of pain. Generally, according to many things, many inflammatory conditions, many people apply cold packs, but in a long run, that is going to cause degeneration and that is going to cause more pain. So instead, apply hot things to the area of pain. Relax, take rest, because vata is something which will excite you. So what you need to do is you just need to relax, take rest, and that will help you pacify your vata dosha. Spend some time thinking about good things, because then you are controlling yourself. Vata dosha is something which will increase when you think a lot, when you are worried, when you are in fear. So think about good things. Eat enough food. Enough nourishment is required. Don't stay hungry or don't skip any meals if you have pain. Drink enough water. But there's a catch into the saying that when I said don't stay hungry. There is a concept in Ayurveda known as undigested food, or some kind of a poison, basically, which is caused due to indigestion in your body. That is the concept of many doctors say that ama is the mama of all diseases. So this is very important. Now, if you have pain, then one of the simple things, there are a lot of things through which you can check your levels. But one of the simple things is, you can see in the picture, the tongue, your tongue will be coated white. If you have coated white tongue and then you have pain, that means your pain is not only pure vata, but it is associated with your metabolism as well. And so during such times, you have to and you can skip your meals, because that means the first thing you need to do is you need to control your nourishment, you need to control your ama, you need to improve your digestion and then treat your pain. But automatically when you control this, your pain will also be treated. So sometimes fasting may also be the treatment for treating your pain. But you have to differentiate if it is with or if it is without